Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept the every string ends with B. The complete statement, if you see, construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's and where every string ends with what? B. So alphabet sigma equal to A comma B, for which what is sigma star will get? Is a sigma star a universal language or not? So universal language, there is epsilon A alone B, A, B, B, like A, B, B, A will get n number of strings. Now every string from the language W equal to ends with, like it could be start with anything, you must be end with B only. What is X could be either A or B, but it must be end with B only. The language this containing the string will be like A ending with B only, or A B or B A B, like these are the strings are available, right? So as I mentioned, the way construction of FA, so you should think about B. B first, give a transition for B. Suppose Q naught on B, it is ending with B only, right? Q1. So make it Q1 as a final state. Any number of B's come, that should accept or not. Any number of B's come, that must be accept only. If, like suppose W equal to B will get accept or yes, accept. A B will get, suppose A B will get ending with B, should accept, correct? Suppose if you getting B A is getting, suppose this must be reject, and suppose you are getting B A B if you are getting it ending with B, I'll make Q1 on A, Q naught. So here Q naught, any number of A's you can come middle. So start with any number of A's come or not, any number of A's can come or not. For B, suppose example, if you are getting you are getting, and followed with B, it is ending with B or not? Yes. A B if you are getting, should accept or not? See, A B, then A B should accept or not? Yes, you can check this will accept or not. See, suppose transition of Q naught on A B. So Q naught on A, Q naught only. Transition of Q naught B A B. Now Q naught on B, Q1. So Q1 will get, Q1 remaining string is AB. Q1 on A, so Q1 on A, Q naught only. Q naught remaining B will be there. Q naught on B, Q1. So Q1 is the final state or not? So the string is accepted. You please do understand, all of you, simply any number of A's can come, and for this you have to repeat your rejecting statement. After that, if you get single B or any number of B's, that can accept. And when you are at Q1 state, if you are getting A, then send to Q naught. So now number of states, how many we got? Number of states in FA equal to 2 we got. So try to make a observation also here. Number of states, how many got? 2. So 2 also understand, start with what? End with B only, right? B, how many symbols are there? Only one symbol. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 only. We'll take some more example to understand finding the number of states directly. Hello students, are you getting my point? So please do copy clearly. So we'll take another one. Thank you.